Hey, it's Emmanuel from TechInsomnia, and today we're going to be upgrading the Wi-Fi network in the studio. I'm going to be using this Asus Wi-Fi 6 router. Stick with me, let's get into it. We're going to bridge the current modem/router, which is going to disable the Wi-Fi so that it's only a modem.
So first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to this address. Now it may be different depending on your modem/router model. And then once you get to the login screen, you're going to want to log in as it's been. We can just disable these as we go. If you can connect the device to your current modem/router via Ethernet, you're able to disable everything. Okay, so now that we've bridged the modem/router and turned off the wireless, it's time to connect. We're gonna wire it to the modem/router via Ethernet cable, Cat6 cable if you can. Ethernet connections that were plugged into the old modem/router, you're gonna wanna plug them into the new Asus router. You'll get a faster connection speed that way. I'll navigate to your Wi-Fi. Here we see Asus Co. We're gonna connect to this network. We're going to scroll over to the browser and we're going to type 192.168.1.1. It's read exactly what model Wi-Fi 6 router this is, and we're going to tap on create a new network. Pick a name for the network and a password, easy to tell a guest. Now if you have an Asus Wi-Fi 6 router, leave this checked to enable it. Sure. Now it's going to ask you for a router, login name, and password. I would recommend choosing something different. You want to be the only one that knows this to make adjustments in the future. It's actually telling me that there is a firmware update. One of the most beautiful things about Asus routers, they will have multiple firmware updates in a year for up to 5 years from when you purchase it. Go ahead and update the firmware, which will give you the best connectivity, best stability, and new features. This will usually take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Now that update is complete, it booted me off that temporary network, so I'm gonna go back to the Wi-Fi and I'm gonna log into the new network, which is PAD. And you can see that little 6 indicating Wi-Fi 6. Now we'll enter in the password and we'll be good to go. So now we're connected to our new Wi-Fi 6 router. Test out the internet super quick. Hope you guys found value. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there.